Hello, Division 7. Just want to quickly do a grade 5 video here. So we have a lesson where we look at representing numbers. Okay, so in this example, there would be, you have a number like 250,000. How many 10,000s are 250,000? The answer would be 35, right? How many thousands is 350? Hundreds, there's that many hundreds in that number. And then tens would be that many tens. And then ones is literally the exact number itself. Okay? So fill out that table. Understand there's different ways to represent numbers. Like this one here, how many people attend the Women's World Cup of Soccer in Vancouver. You can show it off in a place value chart, which would be the expanded form here, and then the standard form is just the number itself. Okay, so try the following questions here. We have the same sort of examples. You can use this chart for number one. Basically doing the same thing for number two. Tell me the short standard version for these ones. So for number four, right, 5 different 6-digit numbers. With their digits in order. So that one's kind of interesting. Don't do number 5. Greater less stand for 6, and 7 is another greater least kind of example. And then the final page here we have much of the same. I underlined a red digit that I'll put on the board here. Just the one that's kind of off, like the 1, the 9 here, the 4, and the 1. Okay. And that should be pretty self-explanatory the rest of the way. So hopefully this video helps. If you have any questions, let me know. And that's all I have to say.